Good morning. It is day 2 of Mustang week. Got all the cars up, lined up. Girl's still looking good. And a lot of stuff going on today, a lot of different meets. So it's gonna be a fun day. We've made it. Look at this beautiful 3.7. Look at the colors. I love that. That's clean. Very cool. Anyway, we're here. We made it. A little small meet. See how long we're here for. Not gonna lie, these RTR wheels are kind of sweet. Might have to cop those. We got another 3.7, but this one's turboed. That's fucking cool.
I scraped one of my wheels last year.
Nice.
It's hard around here. The roads are kind of jacked up.
That's sick, dude.
I was hitting the strip last night on the beach party last night.
Very cool. Another 6 here. A lot of 6 cylinders today. Happy to see that. Very cool. Cool dark horse. I like the dark horse on the S650 model. This is a clean SM95. It just sits perfectly. Yeah, that's a good looking car. Another 6-cylinder. Holy crap. We got a lot of these today. I'll tell you what, the engine bay is cleaner than my freaking engine bay, that's for sure. Jesus. I don't know what's going on here, but he did something. The roof cut out and everything. Oh my goodness. Cool purple too, I like it. Whippled S650, but it's an RTR spec.
I don't know. Normally the Whipple one is an open.
Signed by the RTR squad themselves, which is cool. This is a unique stripe job. Not my thing, but very creative. Very cool. Oh, it ties well with the spoiler there. Nice. Very cool. Super pretty Boss 302. Again, that's the next Mustang I'm trying to get. Beautiful. Very cool. Neat paint match. You have the white, the blue. White with the blue. Very cool. I like when people do that. It's neat. This is the color Boss I want. Nice white one. I think it looks sleek. Oh, this one's got a Pro Charger on it. Oh, speedy. Okay, we're on the way to Suck Bang Blow for the Coyote Bash. Obviously can't park there. There's no Coyote in this car. However, we can still park in an adjacent lot and we'll hang out. And there's supposed to be a rev battle happening. It's already started, but we'll see how much we can catch of that. And we'll take a peep at all the nice cars. We're not even at Suck Bang Blow, and every single lot is filled with Mustangs. This is Mustang Row. We made it. Okay, if you guys come to Mustang Week, just wait for the second day. Don't wait in the line on the first day. I literally got here and got my shit in 2 minutes. Don't do that. That was silly. All right, back to the festivities. Switch it. Dream Spec Shelby here. Red, black stripe. Beautiful. Good vantage point. Just staking out, waiting for their next victim. Got him. It's not even a Mustang. I like the 5 spokes. I like the paint match calipers. Might have to do that now too. We've moved on to BBK for more and more Mustangs. Talked to the owner with this car, and apparently he had taken a wrecked one of these, cut it in half, converted the back to do so. Pretty sick. All right, we're just about done here. I think we've cruised through every parking lot for the most part. I guess we're going to end the night, so thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you tomorrow for another episode of Mustang Week. Deuces.